Yung New World Order na yun, magtuturo ka ng prinsipyo, magtuturo ka ukol sa Diyos, tapos pamimiliin mo ang tao ng Diyos na kanilang sasambahin. Yang ginagawa ng mga mason na yan, malaking panluloko sa kapwa-tao yan.
Pag walang kokontra sa mali, lahat ng tao maniniwala sa mali.
Sa isang tanong naman ng isa natin kung panakuhin sa ating Bible exposition tungkol dito sa New World Order na sinasabi po niya ay kagagawan daw ni Bill Gates at ng mga milyonaryo na taniman ang tao ng microchips sa kamay. At kanya pong inaalam doon ay kung may kaugnayan ba daw yung microchips na yon doon sa 13:15 hanggang 18 ng Apokalipsis. At kung wala daw at sakali daw ba na ito'y gagawing mandatory ng pamahalaan na ilalagay ang microchips, ano daw po ang dapat na gawin na yung iba't ibang mga nakapaloob tungkol dito sa mga tanda po na ito sa kanang kamay at sa noo, na kagaya po ng itinatanong nitong si kapatid na Mark Galit.
Lumalaganap yan ngayon eh. Yang paniniwala ukol sa microchips at para bang yung microchips, yun ang magiging tanda ng Antikristo. Sa paniniwala ng pinapalaganap ito ng mga pastor. Karamihan dyan mga pastor ng born again. Siguro maglagay tayo sa screen, magkaroon lang ng ideya ang ating mga kababayan ng kanilang paliwanag tungkol dyan sa microchips. Ba't nyo nang sinasabi nilang tanda ng Antikristo, ng 666? At isa pang bagay na gusto kong mapansin ng ating mga kababayan sa bagay na ito, yung New World Order na yun, marami nang marami nang nagtangka niyan. Ang isa sa may tangka niyan ay ang Masonry. Hindi ako naniniwala na magagawa yan ng Masonry lang, nung maliit na grupo na yon ng mga nagtuturo ng pagliligaw sa tao na kahit sinong Diyos pwede daw sambahin ng mga mason. Napakababaw na panluloko sa kapwa. Magtuturo ka ng prinsipyo, magtuturo ka ukol sa Diyos, tapos pamimiliin mo ang tao ng Diyos na kanilang sasambahin. Yang ginagawa ng mga mason na yan, malaking panluloko sa kapwa-tao yan. Tingnan nyo, basahin natin sandali itong tinuturo ng mason para sa mga kapwa nila tao. Ito'y nandoon sa kanilang official website, formermasons.org. Official website ba yan ng Masonry, kapatid na technician? Ito ay isang third-party website na kinumpirma naman ito ng Masonry. Mabuti basahin natin, kapatid na Daniel.
Ito pong sabi sa page 6 ng The Craft and its Symbols by Alan E. Roberts. You have learned that Freemasonry calls God the great architect of the universe, or Gaotu. This is the Freemasons' special name for God because he is universal. He belongs to all men, regardless of their religious persuasion. All wise men acknowledge his authority. In his private devotions, a Mason will pray to Jehovah, Muhammad, Allah, Jesus, or the deity of his choice. In a Masonic lodge, however, the Mason will find the name of his deity within the Gaotu.
Ito, isang simpleng panluloko para makakuha ng miyembro ang Mason. Ang Mason pwedeng mamili. All wise men, sabi nila, acknowledge his authority. In his private devotion, a Mason will pray to Jehovah, Muhammad, Allah, Jesus, or the deity of his choice. Tinanin yung kalokohan niyang sinasabi na yan. Pwede ba namang ikaw ang mamimili ng Diyos mo? Hindi prinsipul yun eh. Katarantaduhan yun. Kalokohan yun. Stupides ang sabi sa Kastila. Sa Ebreo ay naubaul. Kaistupiduhan na mamimili ka ng sarili mong Diyos. Ang Diyos yung makapangyarihang lumikha ng lahat ng bagay. Hindi mo pwedeng piliin. Pwede ka raw manalangin kay Jehovah. Pwede ka raw manalangin sa deity of your choice. Ba't meron kayong sarili nyong gauto? Kayong mga mason, kundi ba nasisiraan ang ulo nagturo sa inyo? Ang pangalan ng kanilang Diyos, gauto. Oh. Bakit? Ba't meron ka nilagay sarili mo? Pwede naman palang manalangin kahit sino mapili mo. Ibig sabihin, gusto nyo lang mangumbinsi ng mga tao maniwala sa katarantaduhan ng Freemasonry. Kung ating pag-uusapan ito, kukulangin ang oras natin dito sa mga mason eh. Pero hindi ito ang ating topic. Kasi isa lang yan sa mga grupo na nagsasabi ng New World Order. Yung sinasabi naman ng mga born again na magkakaroon ng New World Order na ang nag-uumpisa raw ay si Bill Gates, paano mo naman sasabihin totoo yan? Idinideny naman ni Bill Gates yan. Basahin natin ang ulat na galing doon sa balita sa CNBC. Basahin natin ito, kapatid na Daniel.
Ito po ang sabi naman, Bill Gates denies conspiracy theories that say he wants to use coronavirus vaccines to implant tracking devices. July 22, 2020, CNBC. Billionaire Bill Gates on Wednesday denied conspiracy theories that accuse the tech mogul and philanthropist of wanting to use coronavirus vaccines to implant tracking devices in people. Gates, whose foundation has donated millions to coronavirus vaccine and treatment research, addressed a poll from Yahoo News YouGov survey that found 28% of U.S. adults believed a debunked conspiracy theory suggesting Gates planned to use a potential vaccine for COVID-19 to implant microchips in billions of people to monitor their movements. We need to get the truth out there, Gates, the co-founder of Microsoft and co-chair of the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, said during an interview on CBS News. I hope it'll die down as people get the facts, he said, adding that he wants to bring the coronavirus pandemic to an end. There are no FDA-approved drugs or vaccines for the coronavirus, which has infected nearly 15 million people worldwide and killed at least 617,415 in more than 6 months, according to data compiled by Johns Hopkins University. There are more than 100 vaccines under development, according to the World Health Organization, with 23 vaccines already in human trials. In February, the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation said it was donating $100 million to vaccine research and treatment efforts for the coronavirus. It was announced as part of the WHO's request for $675 million in contributions to fight the spread of the virus. In June, the foundation pledged an additional $1.6 billion to the Gavi Vaccine Alliance, an organization focused on efforts to immunize children amid the coronavirus pandemic. We want to make sure we don't have people dying just because they don't have access to the vaccine, Gates said Wednesday. We will get a good deal on the vaccine, and we need the world to get a good deal on that. Many of the companies have committed themselves to that. Gates spoke on vaccine safety, saying he expects the Food and Drug Administration will do a good job of reviewing any potential vaccine despite the pressure to make one available to the public as soon as possible. Americans have concerns, have a potential vaccine. According to a poll from the Associated Press NORC Center for Public Affairs Research, only about half of Americans say they would get a coronavirus vaccine if scientists succeed in making one that works. Among Americans who say they wouldn't get vaccinated, 7 in 10 worry about safety, according to the poll. Gates also said the potential vaccine will likely require 2 doses rather than 1, potentially further limiting the number of people who can get vaccinated once a vaccine becomes available. His wife Melinda Gates, a billionaire philanthropist and co-chair of the foundation, said in May that scientists and health officials may find a vaccine that is effective in preventing COVID-19 by the end of this year, if we're lucky. Even if scientists do find a vaccine in record time, they would still need to make millions and eventually billions of doses of the vaccine for the general public, she said. There are more than 7.6 billion people in the world, and some of the vaccines under development require more than 1 dose, she said. And I quote, "We have never as a globe made a vaccine of this type before, nor of this scale before ever. So this is not a quick nor swift process," unquote, she said.
Tanyo, dinidinay nga ni Bill Gates Paano mo ngayon paniniwalaan niyang mga yan na nagsasabing si Bill Gates daw ay nag-uumpisa ng New World Order. Alam nyo, yung sinasabing New World Order, walang taong makakagawa nun, yung order na yon in the right sense of it, kundi ang Panginoong Jesus. Kaya ang Biblia po, ang nagtuturo sa atin, magkakaroon ng 1,000 taon na paghahari ang Panginoong Jesus dito sa lupa. Yun ang magiging New World Order. Hindi, ang New World Order yung paghahari ng Antikristo na lalagyan ng chips di umano ang mga tao. Napakalaking katarantaduhan ng analysis na yan ng mga pastor ng born again. Paano tatawagin New World Order yan? Disorder nga lalabas yan. No? Lalabas nga yan katarantaduhan dahil sabi nyo, conspiracy. Kung totoo yan, hindi order yan. Utos kasi ng Biblia yung order pagka ang ginagawa mo mali sa Biblia, hindi mo pwedeng tawaging order. 14:40 ng unang Korinto. Pakinggan nyo.